Welcome to this Academic Success Center video tutorial. The purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to use TutorTrac to make a tutoring appointment with the Academic Success Center. The first step is to type this URL in your browser, umbc.go-redrock.com, and hit enter. You will land on My UMBC login page. Use your UMBC credentials to log in. This will take you to your personal TutorTrac main menu. You will always be able to come back to this page by clicking on Main Menu in the upper left corner of this screen. To schedule a tutoring appointment, click on Search Availability. On the next screen, select whether you want a tutoring appointment with the Writing Center for any kind of writing or with subject tutoring for support with the content of a course. For the purpose of this presentation, we will imagine we need help with the content of a class. So we will select Subject Tutoring 1. On this screen, the Section menu will pull up all the classes you are enrolled in. Select the one you need help with. Let's imagine it's Chem 102. And click on Search. What you see here are all the available appointments. Click on the slot that works for you. In the Appointments entry, choose Tutoring as the reason. Type in your cell phone number if you want to. It's not mandatory. In the Notes field, just type in any information for your tutor, for example, what you would like to work on or your learning style. Click Save. The screen will stay open so that you can double-check the information you provided is correct. When you're sure everything is right, click on the X sign in the top right corner of the screen, and the screen will close. After making the reservation, you will receive an email like this one from noreply@tutortrac.umbc.edu. You will also receive a reminder email the day before the appointment with all this information again. You can also check your appointments from the main menu. All your upcoming appointments will be listed in the center of the page. Let's now see how you can cancel an appointment. Identify in this list, now we have only one, the appointment that you want to cancel. Click on the X sign at the bottom of the appointment description. Here, type in the reason why you want to cancel, and then click on Confirm Cancellation. Please remember that appointments cannot be canceled less than 3 hours before the start time of the session. If you need to cancel late, please email tutoring@umbc.edu and we will cancel it for you. Thank you for using ASAC Tutoring Services.